I consider myself an adventurous person. I like trying out new things, traveling to new places, and I take care of myself para confident ako to face life challenges every day. That's why even bata pa lang ang daughter ko, tinuturuan ko na siya ng basic life skills, like doing her small laundry with Surf Rose Fresh.
Oops! 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 Ba't hindi tayo maglalaban ng isang barangay? That's too much, baby. Now you know.
Remember anak, wash your clothes like you love them.
Very good, very good.
Wow! Ang bango agad! That's the instant rose bango of Surf Rose Fresh. Amoy pa lang super fresh. Parang bagong bouquet ng roses. Ang sarap turuan kapag hindi napipilitan. When learning feels fun, mas natatandaan nila. Plus, kahit affordable, panalo pa rin sa linis at bango. Turn laundry lessons into love stories with the instant rose bango of Surf Rose Fresh.